420 420 आवारा राज कपूर. Toronto is International Film Festival is screening in memory of Raj Kapoor, his film Awara. Awara was sitting in Rasina Road, Rasina, President House of India. President Venkatraman sir was on the dais to give the highest Dasa Phalke Award for Raj Kapoor's Best Film Career Award. Raj Kapoor was sitting in the front seat with his graceful beloved wife Krishna ji.
तेज बोलिए तेज.
Announced on the dais to Raj Kapoor to come up to get his award. Raj Kapoor, Awara, stood up, but had attacked, he could get up. To honor the Awara, President Venkatraman stepped down to his seat and awarded him Dasa Phalke Award. That was a great honor given to Awara. Awara, a movie which was made in 1951, and Awara depicts, mirrors South Asia youth life. It was broken emotionally, economically, particularly the Hindus who had migrated to after partition in India, but to see the might in that movie, Awara, the song which inspired, न घर बार है न व्यापार है, गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा. That song gave such a tremendous strength to the youth of who had migrated, or the youth of that time, or over Asia, irrespective of caste, color and communities. And see the case today, mostly in Delhi or anywhere in Asia, even outside India, all who had those youths came up with a mighty strength of eternal strength and material strength. They surpassed and they outwit all those who were at that time that gracious and very important creativity. That creativity, that was the Awara had given the message to all the youth. गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा. That was the scene, and that had really inspired those times. And after that, he was a man who always stood, came out with creativity. मेरा नाम जोकर, Bobby, Ram Teri Ganga Mary. These all films of him depicts the times immemorial picture of the South Asian society, not only Indian society. That was the legendary Awara Raj Kapoor. And I am from Patna, Bihar, born in a village, son of a farmer. And I am blunt in saying one thing here. Bihar was the best state economically and socially up to 1960. Unparalleled, number one in India. After that, what happened? How economy of the villages was in a social harmony. Certainly, Bhumihar, Rajputs and Muslim landlords were there, but they were very harmonious, very compassionate. There was no migration of laborers to other places, and there was job for everyone there in their own field. They had clothes to wear, whatever they had. They had food to eat, but they had not come to out in a depressions, in a humiliation, what they are all Biharis are facing in all over world. Who is responsible for this? The dictators are dictating after, in the guise of, with due respect, I touch the feet of Jayaprakash Narayan ji. I touch the feet of Laluji also, his disciple, and Karpuri Thakur, who is now Bharat Ratna. But they have, after that moment of, in the name of total revolutions, where is the total revolutions? Total revolutions made these all, even Bhumihars, Rajputs, Jadavas, Brahmins, all, even all the youths of, and they are talking about caste census. They are talking about, on the other hand, Baba Sahib Ambedkar has talked about caste and relations. What caste census is giving them? Only bringing a class, and they have seen what had happened after total revolutions and abolition of English in Bihar state. All the dictations, they are becoming jobless, youth are becoming awara, wandering, and rakhera, wandering all over Asia and all over the world in search of a job. That is the crisis, and Karpuri Thakur ji had come into, he got the job of chief leadership by touching the feet of Bhumihars and Rajputs. Though he had become that was. And Lalu sir had got the post of a job chief leadership by abusing Bhumihars and Rajputs politically. So where is this harmony was created, and economy was also broken. Who is responsible for this? So Bihar people should see Awara, and I have already talked about Awara Mashiach, but the youth, instill them, first job is important in their own home, in their own village, so there will be no emotional breaking, there will be no economic breaking, no social breaking, which had been done by this in the so-called, in disguised form of social revolution. And Biharis are really, they were highly honored all over the world. Now they are being seen as a downtrodden, irrespective of caste, color, everything. And not only that, I would say here that first, whatever is that you will have to create a job in their own state, good education, and that will only help the end, certainly, by only as Lalu sir had come into power by abusing Bhumihar Rajputs, but that had failed. It is still only the Bhumihar Rajputs and all unitedly can build the Bihar, not only by abusing Bhumihar and abusing Jadavas or abusing and what a good communal harmony and social unity between the Bhumihars, Jadavas and Rajputs were. Even at that time, that had been broken by this slogan of by Lalu sir, and so his technocrat friend who became chief minister for a long time is still not giving job, and that had migrated, and even during pandemic period, what the situation had really dictated. So that should be in the mind of the Biharis, and election is here now. So they should think about to make Bihar again number one with the spirit of the Awara of Raj Kapoor.
Okay, sir. Thanks.